All right, everybody, I'm out here with the Anafi up at Lake Somerset, which is empty. It has no water, but it's a lake. It's a pretend lake. I just got done doing that live stream that I was up there. I just want to take off and let you guys see it. This is way bigger than the Lake Donegal lake. As far as size, it probably looks like it's 3 or 4 times bigger than that. But that's just, I just want to fly around here a little bit and let you guys see this place. Let me get away from that telephone wire right there, or power. I think it's it's just a power line that's running that street light over there. Let's get away from that. So I'm going to go out here into the middle a little bit. And we'll stop here. And I'll turn it a little bit so you can see how far it is down there. That's way down there, about a mile, is where me and Josh were when we were up here and it was snowing. When we came up and did that little thing, you know, made them couple little videos over here. So there's the other end of it. Man, I hope they get this thing done pretty soon. Because it'll be real nice for the people to have this, you know. Summer's coming up and all that crap. You know, you don't want to have all this stuff closed up for summer. Looks like there's another lake over there. It looks like a little small one. I can see it over that way. I think it's like a little retention pond or something. I'll have to look on the satellite. There's the road I came down. There I am right there. Okay, at this spot where I'm at, all the way across the lake, is somewhere in that range right there, 800 feet or, you know, something of that nature. Like 1,000 feet across, something like that. Yeah, so yeah, the place looks good. It's gonna be real nice when they get the water in. Anyway, this is there was an update for the Anafi 168. They did a little update on the return to home, and the batteries were updated and stuff like that, so nothing major. Okay, let me bring this Anafi in here above these wires. I don't want to get caught on these wires here, boys. Man, what a great bird this is. Okay, so I updated both of the batteries. And of course, I didn't have, you know, there's been no trouble. Did that fly around the mall, no trouble at all. I'm finding myself, I'm flying this thing into sport mode more often than anything now. It just gets the job done quicker. Just gets out there a lot quicker, that's all. Land, you dog. You gotta love the way these Parrot drones land. I think they just flop. You gotta love it, guys. You gotta love it. All right, there you go. Anafi, empty Lake Somerset. All right, guys, you guys have a nice day.